Hey guys, it's Ben from Molin, and in this short demo, I'm going to show you how to use Molin effectively. We've been asked this question a lot, and we really want to help you guys. So in this short demo, I'm going to teach you how to 10x your output on everything that you write. So when you type in Molin.ai, you land on this page. On the left-hand side, you can see the templates, documents, chat. That's the menu side, and in the middle, that's the actual stuff that you need. So you can find templates such as ads, blogging, e-commerce, writing product descriptions, email replies, funny things, and basically anything that you need. We have already more than 80 plus templates, so I'm sure you will find everything that you want. So in the free version, you can write, for example, emails. I'm going to show you this one quickly. On the left hand side, the write email section, this is where Molin writes, and on the right hand side, this is where you write. And you can really go from left to right whenever you want. So basically add Molin into your own document. I can create a new document that I've done, rename it. Let's rename it to Molin demo and get started. So I want to write an email, for example, to my brother Greg. So to my brother Greg, wish him a happy birthday. You can actually ask Molin to write anything that you want, write a professional cold email, sales emails, whatever. You can even regenerate again and again, and Molin will actually write you a new one. So let's assume that I like this one. So, dear Greg, happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day filled with lots of love and laughter, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. So I can just paste it in here. Now this got into the editor section, so I can really highlight stuff here or add an H1, you know, basically do everything that you can do in Microsoft Word. In this side of the table, I can just say 2 more. And Molin will go ahead and write 2 more of the same email that was written, but modifying it. So this one is actually done. So you can just go ahead and pick, edit which one you like, and just send an amazing happy birthday message to your brother. But if you really want to go pro with Molin, then you should check out the pro templates. So the pro templates are like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, entire blog posts. So basically what you use every day in a company, you can do it as a pro on Molin. We offer 3 different plans. So we have a generous free plan. The pro plan starts at $7.79 for the first month and continues at $12.99 from the next month on. In this one, everything is included. It's an unlimited package, all the templates, all the languages, professional use, editors, everything. And in the Teams package, you can actually invite your friends and collaborate real time with your colleagues. So we highly recommend this one if you are a smaller, bigger company. So to go back to the pro ones, let's say that I want to write an entire blog post. A new cafe is opening in Budapest, and the purpose of the article is to offer a discount for new guests. So I can hit generate, and it is going to generate me the entire article. You can see how Molin writes. And in the meantime, on the left hand side, I can just either edit this one or create a new document and say cafe opening in Budapest. And when Molin is done, I can just, it's done already, so I can just add to the editor and edit it myself here. So for example, I want this to be an H2. And yeah, this one as well. And let's say I don't like this that much, so I can just find a new template, for example, rewrite paragraph, and just copy this one, edit here, and generate again. So everything that happens on the left hand side side stays on Molin, and on the right hand side this is your final document. Okay, so this one is better. I'm going to just copy this one and edit here. You can just come to here and say write a TLDR. So you can actually prompt Molin to do whatever you want with it on the right hand side as well. So even though it's your document, Molin is still in there and helping you finishing it. So if I run to TLDR, I can just say it, and then Molin will go ahead and create that for me. And there is the TLDR that you can put in front of your document as well to just help your readers. Okay, so this is Molin. These are the documents again. If you really want more than this, then you can embed widgets, invite your friends and get free money from us, and even try out our new chat functionality. There's a lot of things going on at the same time, but it is really a platform designed for you to use super quickly, efficiently, and for not so much money. So $12 can buy you a lot of time. So yeah, please guys, try it out. If you're still not convinced, we have a 5-day free trial, so try it for 5 days. And if you don't like it, you can cancel whenever you want, or just talk to us and tell us why you don't like it. But please sign up, and then talk to you soon.